It's got a little bit of weight, but I'm also just very sore from the past couple days of not hydrating properly and working out. First cut with this new saw. That doesn't sound good. I don't know if it's recording or not. We're on our way to get that material now. The problem's gonna be whether or not the material's gonna fit in here, but I've got an idea, I got a plan, and we'll see how that works out, if it works out, once we get there. I'm sitting in the Lowe's parking lot and I just realized I didn't bring the 20-volt battery that I will be needing. The plan was to buy a circular saw here, cut it up, but now I don't know if that's gonna happen. Got my cutlass here. Let me see if they can help me out. Okay. It's gonna fit. So we're gonna make it fit. So honestly, not having had my plan work out probably worked out for the best and for the better. I still ended up getting the saw, got a battery. Now let's see if I assembled it correctly. I think it's all right. I got most of the material unloaded. Now it's just time to quickly assemble everything. It's a little tricky because nothing's level. May I help you? Just trying to get your garage organized. What? Thanks, Lydia.
You have a single bed.
Yeah, go for it. You deserve it. See this wobble? This might be okay in the club. Wobble, wobble, but I'm not liking it here. I think if once I put the actual shelving top, it should fix that a little bit. I think you can do the trick. Now I only need to build 3 more of these and then connect them all. First cut with this new saw. That doesn't sound good. First off, the blade is very loosey-goosey. Just don't know how I'm supposed to tighten it. You know what I mean? Because this whole thing turns. Does that mean it's wrong? I think it is that it's too loose. I don't know how to tighten it without it turning. What can I hold on to? The blade itself? Doesn't seem very safe. That'll do, donkey. Not the best cut ever. Also not the worst. That's the third one for now. Right now I'm kind of tired of sitting out here in the sun, so what I need to do, I need to go hydrate a little bit and do a quick workout. See if that gives me a bit of an attitude adjustment.
Salta otra vez. ¿Dónde vas? ¿Qué vas a hacer? Siempre deja así, ahí papacito.
Okay, and that is the final screw before trying to attempt to lift this up. Lots of rough cuts. I didn't know where exactly to put every screw. As far as like stability, structure, I also don't want to do like overkill. So if you know any of that, let me know. But what I'm hoping, because this isn't like the final setup, is that I can quickly disassemble and either reshape it or use the wood for something else. Again, the floor is not level, so we'll see how this goes. I think this will work. Now, how do I move it? Okay, come back down. Spot for a nap here. Whew. Reminds me of the undergrad days here in bunk beds and stuff. I actually got a couple concussions from those damn things. All right, so for the time being, I think this fits our needs. Going back to the idea of being modular, you know, like adding different attachments or whatever, but I don't want to build something. I want it to fit what our needs are rather than just building something pretty rough. Later on, maybe sanding, coat of paint or something. The purpose of this was just to kind of make some space as I start organizing and everything. And later on, think about leveling this a little better. Once we know it's more permanent, anchoring it to the wall or something if I think that's necessary. I gotta make sure my little one doesn't do this, and if he does, can he do it safely? I don't know. But yeah, I think this will do. Cool. No, I'm happy with it. Something so small, so silly, but I need to get the building juices flowing. Something simple, something super easy that anyone can do. So, gonna move some stuff here so it looks a little nicer.